This video explains how to buy shares of Embotelladora Andina SA, a major beverage bottler in Latin America, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AKO-A. This is an educational guide and not financial advice, so please do your own research. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AKO-A to find the listing. Select the result that matches Embotelladora Andina SA to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and recent price chart to confirm key details such as market and sector. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the AKO-A ticker to verify it is the right company. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the link in the description to visit eToro if you want to explore the platform further.